The secret to a clean microwave is lots of hot soapy water. So you're going to get your sink half full, get it nice and sudsy, and then we'll move over to the microwave. Okay, this microwave is super dirty. It's got yuck here, it's got yuck there, and look inside. Ew, who didn't cover their food? So you're going to want to take this out and you're going to want to wash it over in the hot soapy water. So somebody can be taking care of that and get all that yuck cleaned off. So that might even have to soak for a little bit. Okay, so then back at the microwave, you need this hot soapy cloth to wipe the door and the interior. And don't forget about the roof, because people forget to cover things and that gets really greasy. So all the interior, the tray, and even get on the outside and get all that yuck off the sides of your microwave. Tops of the microwave, don't forget, every single surface, nice hot soapy water will get it clean.